Shift our focus now to the Pune horror case. The twists and turns in this case continue to shock the entire nation. Murkier details are now coming out day by day. As per the investigation, now 14 phone calls were made between Vishal Agarwal, the father of the accused minor, and Dr. Ajay Tavre on the 19th of May after the incident. This, remember, comes after Dr. Tavre admitted to receiving a call from a public representative, allegedly NCP MLA Sunil Tingre, to tamper with the blood samples of the juvenile. NCP Chief Ajit Pawar has attempted to nip the controversy in the bud and has claimed that he never asked or put pressure on any officer to cover up any wrongdoings.
पण उद्या पत्रकार म्हणून एखाद्याने माहिती दिली की अजित पवार इथं हे घडलेलं आहे आणि तुम्ही पालकमंत्री असणाऱ्या ठिकाणी घडलेलं आहे, तर आम्हाला ती बातमी आल्यावर आम्ही शहरातला असेल, पुण्याचं तर पुणे आयुक्ताला सांगतो, पिंपरी चिंचवडचं असेल तर पिंपरी चिंचवड आयुक्ताला सांगतो, कारण तेच प्रमुख आहेत. त्याच्यामुळं माझ्या कानावर आल्यानंतर मी सांगितलं, ह्याच्यामध्ये मी कुणाला पाठीशी घाला असं तर माझ्या कोणी तोंडातनं पण येत नाही. उलट कधी कधी मी म्हणतो तिथं अजित पवार जरी दोषी असेल तर त्याच्यावर कारवाई करा, हे माझे शब्द असतात. नाही त्याच्यावर मी त्यांना म्हटलं की कुणाच्याही राजकीय दबाव आला तरी बळी पडू नका. श्रीमंताच्या घरातली मुलाकडनं घडलेली घटना आहे. कसल्याही प्रकारचं वेगळ्या प्रकारचा दबाव येण्याची शक्यता नाकारता येत नाही.
Meanwhile, Maharashtra Congress chief Nana Patole has made an allegation in this case, claiming that the son of the MLA, who was also in the Porsche at the time of the accident.
गाडीमध्ये उतरणारी लोक तर दोन होती, ते कोण होती तेही समोर आलं पाहिजे. खूप साऱ्या गोष्टी लपलेल्या आहेत त्याच्यात. त्याच्यामुळे एक मंत्री कोण आहे, त्यांनी अधीक्षक बनवण्यासाठी पत्र दिलं, कोण आमदार होता त्याचं नाव पुढे आलं पाहिजे. ही भूमिका आमची आहे. त्यामुळे सरकारने पुढे येऊन मग हे रक्ताचे नमुने बदलवणं वगैरे हे सगळाच खुलासा सरकारने केला पाहिजे.
Now, as the probe into the Pune Porsche horror case continues, the Juvenile Justice Board is now under the scanner. Out of the 3 members, 2 of them are going to be probed by a 5-member committee that was formed by the Deputy Commissioner of the Women and Child Development Department. This committee will examine whether the legal provisions were followed in this case and submit the details of the report along with remarks to the government by next week. Dr. Danvade, one of the members of the JJ board appointed by the government who had earlier granted bail to the minor accused, will be probed in this matter. My colleague Abhishek is joining us on the phone line with more details on this. Abhishek, now the focus and a close watch on the Juvenile Justice Board. One by one, murkier details coming out, and now 2 of these members from the Juvenile Justice Board being probed as to what exactly had happened at the time of the incident.
Definitely, one thing that I want to put before our viewers is that, Juvenile Justice Board consists of 3 members. 1 member is from the judiciary and 2 members are being appointed by the government of Maharashtra. So the government has initiated the probe and formed a committee of 5 members headed by Deputy Commissioner of Police on this entire issue. And according to the order that was passed, the bail order, Mr. Dr. Danavade was the one who has passed the order. So against him, the probe has been ordered, and whether he had followed legal provisions will be looked into. His past records will be looked into, and accordingly, the report will be submitted by the remarks of the Commissioner of Child and Women Development Department. And definitely, there was a public outrage. In fact, media also highlighted the issue that how, after a heinous crime, a minor can get away with a bail order, wherein it is mentioned to write an essay of 300 words. So there was a public outrage. Media highlighted it, and later Pune police filed a review petition. The same juvenile board then later sent him to rehabilitation and observation home. So this is how the things have turned around. And now every angle is being probed, and government has now ordered a 5-member committee to probe the entire matter. Things will come out one after the other. In fact, police investigation is also revealing certain updates in this matter. And now we have 2 government committees. One, which is inquiring into the doctor's manipulation of blood sample, and other is also now inquiring into the conduct of the JJB members who were involved in granting bail. Back to you.
Right, Abhishek, thanks very much for joining us with those details. We'll keep coming back to you for the latest.